In the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, a groundbreaking civilization emerged as the first city ever built, known as Uruk, where innovation flourished and humanity took its monumental first steps into urban life. Uruk became a hub of trade and culture, where the invention of writing and advanced architecture marked a pivotal shift in human history, connecting people in unprecedented ways. As night fell over Uruk, the city came alive with stories and artistry, solidifying its status as a beacon of creativity and human connection in a world transforming around it. In the heart of the city, scholars meticulously documented commerce, while towering walls stood as guardians of this burgeoning metropolis, ensuring the safety and prosperity of its inhabitants. During vibrant festivals, the spirit of community thrived as revelers celebrated their achievements while visionary leaders sought to expand and elevate the city to new heights. Surrounded by fertile lands, Uruk's agricultural practices sustained its population, and a newly drawn map revealed the intricate connections between the city and its environment, laying the groundwork for future civilizations.